Did you know Apple says this device is not supported for Apple Intelligence? But look at this. This is an old iPad and they are running real Apple Intelligence. But what if I told you that this old device is actually running real Apple Intelligence right now with no jailbreak, no new device, and no paid apps at all? Because in this video, I will show you exactly how to enable Apple Intelligence on any older iPhone or iPad using a powerful tool called Nugget. So you can unlock hidden AI, features that Apple never intended to give you, starting right now. Okay, let's dive into it. In this video, I'm using the iPad 10th generation, which officially does not support Apple Intelligence. And as you can see right here in the settings, the Apple Intelligence option is completely missing. So now I will try to enable it using Nugget. And the first thing you need to do is plug your iPad into your computer using a USB cable so the tool can properly detect your device and apply the changes. Next, download Nugget on your computer and make sure you are using the newest version available, which I will put in the description of this video, and don't worry because Nugget is supported on both Windows and Mac. And in my case, I'm using the Windows version to enable Apple Intelligence on this iPad. Once Nugget is downloaded, you will need to install iTunes first on your computer because iTunes is required for Nugget to properly detect and connect your iPhone or iPad, so make sure iTunes is fully installed and opened before continuing to the next step. Once your device is successfully connected to Nugget, go to the eligibility section and enable the Apple Intelligence feature. Then in the spoof model option, change your device to a newer supported iPad or iPhone model so your device will be recognized as compatible with Apple Intelligence. And after that, go to the Apply section and select your mobile Gestalt file. And if you don't know how to get the mobile Gestalt file, I already made a full tutorial about Nugget and how to get mobile Gestalt file from your iPhone or iPad, which I will link in the description. And once the file is selected, click Apply. But before that, make sure Find My is turned off and your device is connected to the internet because Nugget needs to download the required files to enable Apple Intelligence properly. Your device will automatically open the Books app. This is normal and part of the injection process. Next, you'll need to download any free random book from the Books app. This step is required only the first time. After this, you won't need to download a book again. Once the book is downloaded, your device will automatically respring. And you'll see a notification pop up on your screen. Just tap Retry or Done. Both will continue the process. Your device will then begin injecting the Nugget tweaks. After the process is finished and your device automatically resprings and restarts, your iPhone or iPad is now successfully enabled with Apple Intelligence using Nugget. Then go to Settings. Hit Apple Intelligence Features and enable it. Then set the language to USA to make the Apple Intelligence works on your device. After Apple Intelligence is enabled, it will take around 1 to 2 hours for all of the Apple Intelligence assets to fully download in the background. So please be patient. And once the download is complete, you will be able to use Apple Intelligence just like on a brand new supported device. But an important note is that if you do not want to lose Apple Intelligence, you should not change your device back to the original model and instead keep it spoofed as the newer model. And for devices without Face ID that use fingerprint lock, everything will work normally without any issues like my old iPad on this video. But if your device has Face ID, spoofing the model may cause Face ID to stop working. So in that case, you will need to revert your device back to the original model to restore Face ID. And if you want to fix the Face ID issue properly, I've already made a separate tutorial video for that, which you can watch through the link in the description. But if your device only uses fingerprint lock, you can safely keep it on the spoofed model because it does not affect your device at all and keep the Apple Intelligence working on your device. And please don't forget to follow the important note I mentioned earlier about keeping your device on the spoofed model to avoid losing Apple Intelligence or reverting it properly if your Face ID is affected by watching the fix tutorial in the description. If this video helped you enable Apple Intelligence on your old iPhone or iPad, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel for more hidden Apple features and powerful iOS tricks. Comment your device model below so I can test it for you, and share this video with your friends who are still using older Apple devices. Thanks for watching.